Hi everyone, I will show you how to delete all your Facebook photos at once. First of all, you need to open your Facebook app, then tap the three lines on the top right, then scroll down and you need to tap the setting and privacy and tap to setting option. Now scroll down. Now you need to tap the activity log and you need to tap the manage your post and tap the filter option. Go to categories and select the photos and videos option. Now here's the photos and videos which you post on your Facebook account. Now you need to tap all option and tap to trash and tap to continue. Now your photos and videos are deleted at once. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.